What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can create a TradingView account for free. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. As you guys can see, I'm on my Google now. Here, I'm just going to search for TradingView. Searching for TradingView will pop up these options. Go to tradingview.com. And the tradingview.com, you just have to click on this Get Started button. Now, clicking on this Get Started button will take you to this page. Here, click on this Sign Up or sign in. So what I will do is I'll click on sign in and it will take me to this page. Here you can either continue with either of these accounts or you can sign up with an email. So I'm just going to continue with my Google account. Now I will use my Google account to sign in. Once it is done, as you can see, my TradingView account is ready to use. I just have to add my username. I have to accept the policies and then click on this next. And there you go. Now, the TradingView basic account is absolutely free, so you won't have to worry about anything. However, they have these premium packages which you can buy. If you want to buy or upgrade to premium, you can buy any of these options. If you do not want to buy, just go to the broker or you go to whatever the products that you want to see. So I'm just going to click on this super chart and I'll be able to see the super charts and use it without any problem. There is a free version and there is a paid version as well. This is how the free version will look like. There is a paid version as well, which you can use that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.